Welcome back guys, let's have an official look of OnePlus 70 and 70 Pro with their launch date, specifications, features and price. So guys, let's start with OnePlus 7T. The phone will come with a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display with the resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 402 pixels per inch. And now OnePlus 7T is coming with a 90Hz display refresh rate with an optical fingerprint sensor, and the display supports HDR10 plus. And guys, the phone will come with a water drop notch which is smaller than the previous models, with a front facing 16 megapixel camera with electrical image stabilization. And guys, if we talk about the rear camera of the phone, the rear camera comes with a circular module with the main camera of 48 megapixel with f1.6 aperture with both optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization, a 12 megapixel of telephoto lens with 2x zoom, and a 16 megapixel of ultra wide lens with 120-degree field of view, with a Snapdragon 855 plus processor with 8 GB of RAM and 2 storage option, 128 GB and 256 GB. The phone is packed with a 3800 mAh battery. The phone will come with 30-watt fast charger, and which is 20% more faster than the old OnePlus 7 Pro. And the phone will come with Android 10 with Oxygen OS. And guys, now let's talk about OnePlus 7T Pro. The phone will come with 6.65-inch display with 3100 by 1440, which comes with 516 pixels per inch, with a Fluid AMOLED display which comes with a 90Hz of refresh rate and HDR10 plus, and the phone have a in-display optical fingerprint sensor. And if we talk about the front camera of the phone, this is a pop-up selfie camera with 16 megapixel with electrical image stabilization. At the rear, the phones come with vertical camera setup with 48 megapixel of main camera lens with f1.6 aperture with optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization, and a 8 megapixel of telephoto lens with 3x zoom and an 16 megapixel of ultra wide lens with 120-degree field of view. The phone is coming with Snapdragon 855 plus with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Phone is powered by a 4085 mAh battery with a 30-watt fast charging, and the phone is coming with Oxygen OS based on Android 10. And guys, if you want a 12 GB RAM variant, you have to wait for the McLaren edition OnePlus 7T Pro. And guys, if we talk about the pricing of the phone, the OnePlus 7T price at $669 US, and OnePlus 7T Pro is slightly expensive than 7T. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will keep you updated.